Hi, my name is Ifat. I'm a volunteer here at Tech Tuesdays UK. Could you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I am Abhishek. I am the co-founder of GOQii and heads the UK operation as the CEO.
Wonderful. It's lovely to meet you. So this was probably the first time you were a panel member at one of the episodes of Tech Tuesday UK,
Yeah,
right? How has your experience been? What would you like to say about that?
it's a good format. It's a free-flowing, easy and interactive than more structured ways, which gives more, I would say, time to interact with the audience.
Absolutely, yes. And lastly, is there a parting message you'd like to give to the people watching?
People who are watching it,
People who will watch your video later, essentially.
I would encourage them also, even while watching it or something, if they have anything to ask, as a part of the Tech Tuesday community, to be open about what they are asking or rather come up. And we as a part of the community is always happy to answer, even if the questions are out of the room.
Right, wonderful. Thanks so much for your time. Thanks for being a part here.
Thank you.